Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about 35s on an F-150. I'm bringing this topic up because I haven't seen too much about it. This is a 2018 F-150 with a 2-inch level. And as you can see, the wheels look pretty familiar. The wheels are off of a premium edition, well, not edition, but a premium package Ford Raptor. As you can see, same wheel setup, 2-inch level. Let me see if I can show you guys the level here. It's up, tucked up in there, not a huge level. And then in the rear, I've got a 1.5 inch block right under the leaf spring. Let's see if yeah, right there. Now I wanted to show you guys this setup because I haven't seen too much about it. That's what it looks like. So technically the wheels that come off of the Ford Raptor aren't actually 35s. They're a 315 70 by 17. Now this wheel is actually about a 34.5 inch tire. It's about 12.5 inches wide. And as you can see, with a 2-inch level, they fit perfectly fine. I don't rub or anything. The rear here looks a little weird, kind of in a dip back there, so it does look a bit more lifted in the back, but I assure you it's just because the rock's there. Let me give you a front view. I would say it pokes out an inch or less. The offset, I believe, is a 0. But anyways, this is probably going to be my truck for forever until it breaks. So I'm excited. It's got the 5-liter Coyote XLT package. Texas edition, not really sure what that means, but I got it used. But yeah, it's pretty basic interior. Pretty messy actually. I'll do it in depth. I'm just doing a quick show around real quick. Tonneau cover. This is mainly about, will the truck fit 35s with a 2-inch level? I'm pretty sure it can fit stock. I don't know if you'd get rubbing stock. I'm assuming you would, but let me do a little video, guys, for you and see what it looks like at full lock. And there's one more thing that I actually want to show you guys here, is the upper control arm and wheel profile right next to each other. Pretty dang close. It actually doesn't hit. You can fit these wheels on any lift kit that doesn't require an aftermarket steering knuckle. Once you start replacing the steering knuckles and all that good stuff, you're gonna have to opt out of these wheels because the offset is so, or the offset, or the back spacing is so inside really. Like I said, I got the truck running, so it's kind of loud, but like I said, the crash bar is super close, and my fender wells are actually muddy, but you can see none of the mud rubbed off when I cut the wheel. Here in the front, plenty of space there. We'll go to the passenger side. Super close. Actually looks like it may be rubbing on the crash bar if you look closely there. Yeah, my take is if I brought it anywhere crazy off-road, it probably would rub pretty good. But it's like that on both sides, so I'm not gonna bother turning the wheel. But yeah, like I said, I just wanted to give you guys a little tip to if you ever wanted to put Raptor takeoffs on your truck. And yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys.